We have a pretty simple data model with our sales data, but we want to upgrade it and include our receiving data here. Right now, we are just adding another table which shows how many quantities received on which day and everything. Now think about the scenario. You have got two visuals for quantity sold and quantity received. When we are using filter of year, it only filters the quantity sold. Instead, we want this, so that when we use the filter, everything filters at the same time. You can do this with some easy steps. Let's jump into the video. See, we have our quantity sold and a filter for year, and it works properly. However, when we create a new measure of quantity received and create a new visual, it doesn't sync with the filter. It's because the date table is connected to the sales table, not the receiving table. We can fix those by going to the data model and create a connection from date table with the receiving data. That means we have two tables connected to one single date table, and it solves our problem. Let's go ahead and make this page more like a report. We delete everything, create a new clustered column. We add our quantity sold and quantity received here. On the x-axis, we will add year and month name. But this is not sorted properly. So we go to the options, sort it by year and month name. And of course, do it as ascending. Still, you can see it is sorted the month name as alphabetical order. We go to the data view and sort by column month name with the month number. Everything is sorted properly right now. Now we want to add two more visuals. One is quantity sold total card visual, and another is quantity received total card visual. Our report is almost ready. Filter is working properly. Everything is fine. Last step is to look nicer. I show you the easiest way. You can choose whatever way you want. You select the visual, change the background color, and give it a border. It looks nice. Repeat the same thing with other two. And that's it. Your report is ready and fully functional. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.